Hi friends, here we are going to talk about the Superhuman Protocol at Dr. Sashi's Eye Care and Wellness. I'm super excited to share with you a powerful and most integrative wellness protocol that we are offering at the moment, and this helps improve cellular energy, blood flow, oxygenation and overall health, including the vision. So what is this Superhuman Protocol? Many of you have asked about advanced therapies that support energy, tissue repair and eye wellness. The Superhuman Protocol combines 3 scientifically supported modalities, which are all about the 5 elements we have on Mother Earth. The PEMF, which is pulsed electromagnetic field therapy, which has the electromagnetic field, a gentle electromagnetic field stimulation that helps improve our circulation, cellular repair and reduce inflammation. EWOT is exercise with oxygen therapy, and by exercising while breathing pure oxygen, enriched air, we increase the amount of oxygen in the blood. This can support brain health, eye health, energy levels and tissue healing. The third one is red light or near infrared light therapy. These wavelengths penetrate the tissues throughout the body and stimulate the mitochondrial function, and our cells are the powerhouses, which the mitochondria is very well is the powerhouse of healing, and it improves the energy production and reduces the oxidative stress, helping detox the body.